Hi all. So today I am going to show you how to prepare stuffed capsicum. So I have taken few capsicums and I cut upper portion of the capsicum and I removed the seeds from inside. So after cutting the upper portion and removing the seeds, now these are the shapes of the capsicums, just like a bowl. And now I am going to stuff few paneer inside it. So I have cut them. I am cutting the pieces of paneer into small pieces. So now I'll grind this paneer in this small grinder. Grinding is almost done. And now this is garam masala powder. This is onion powder. These are black pepper seeds. Red chili powder. So I'm going to mix a little bit of this in this pressed paneer. Garam masala in red chili powder. Yeah, red chili powder. I'll grind it again so that I can mix properly. It will mix all the ingredients that I have shown you just now. I have grinded all together and now now after grinding, some of the pieces of paneer are still no problem. I'll just make it with spoon also. I can make it. So what I'm going to do is that this paneer I am going to put inside capsicum. Yeah, so these are the capsicums. These are the new looks of the capsicum. So I'm going to put it in microwave and I'll make it stuffed capsicum. It will be roasted. I'm not putting any oil, but if you want you can give little bit of oil also. So this is my microwave cooked container. This bowl is microwave bowl where I'm going to put inside microwave. And I am going to put inside microwave, and after that my roasted stuffed capsicum will be ready. Yeah, 12 minutes. It will take 12 minutes. Yeah, my stuffed capsicum is ready now. I have just taken out from the microwave. And now it's ready to eat. So I have just plated the stuffed capsicum, and this is stuffed. This capsicum is stuffed with paneer.